Hey everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. This is your host Sandeep Singh IRS and in today's video हम बात करेंगे काफी important aspect है GST में DRC-03. So we are going to discuss about DRC-03 in detail so that you understand the concept nicely. और यह concept अगर आप समझ जाते हो तो फिर आपको लाखों का नुकसान से बच सकते हो. So let's see what exactly it is. So did you know that one wrong entry in your GST return could cost you penalties up to 100% of your tax liability? But what if I told you that there's a form that can save you from these penalties and help you correct the mistakes before the department catches you? इसके पहले कि डिपार्टमेंट आपको कैच करे, आप खुद ही इस फॉर्म को इस्तेमाल करके अपने आप को बचा सकते हो. Today I'm revealing everything about Form DRC-03, the form that every GST taxpayer must know about. So now let's see what exactly it is. So whether you have made a mistake in your GST returns, discovered a tax or shortfall during your annual reconciliation, or received a show cause notice from the department, DRC-03 is your go-to solution. So by the end of this video, you will know what exactly is DRC-03, when you must use it, step-by-step filing process, common mistakes to avoid, and how to save from penalties. So let's get started. So let us start with the basics. DRC-03 is a form that allows you to voluntarily pay additional tax, interest, or penalty when you discover you have underpaid GST or made errors in your returns. Legal framework क्या है इसका? The form is governed by Rule 142 subsection 2 and Rule 142 subsection 3 of the CGST Rules 2017. And its purpose क्या है? Think of DRC-03 as your voluntary disclosure form. It serves three critical purposes. Number one, पहला क्या self correction tool है. अगर आपसे कुछ mistake हो जाती है तो you can proactively correct the mistakes before the departments find them. Secondly, penalty reduction mechanism है. By voluntarily paying through DRC-03, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate penalties. Number three, response to show cause notice. अगर मान लीजिए आपको show cause notice आ भी आता है, then you can respond by paying through DRC-03 within 30 days. The beauty of DRC-03 is that it is available on the GST portal 24/7, allowing you to make voluntary payments anytime you discover a discrepancy. So now this is crucial, knowing when to use DRC-03. So there are five main scenarios. Scenario number one क्या है? Post audit findings. After your GST audit or for a financial year, if the auditor identifies short payment of tax, excess ITC claims, or any other discrepancies, and the time to file return has passed, then you must use DRC-03 to pay the additional liability. This should then be reported in your GSTR-9 annual return. Scenario number two क्या होता है? आपके annual return में reconciliation. So while preparing your annual return GSTR-9, you conduct a year-end reconciliation. If you discover unreported or underreported supplies that resulted in short payment of tax, then DRC-03 is your solution. Scenario number three, self-assessment discovery. खुद आपने discover किया कि आपने कहीं पे short payment of tax किया है. So sometimes during self-assessment, you realize that you have made a calculation errors, claimed excess ITC, or missed reporting some transactions. So do not wait for the department to find it. Voluntarily, you can pay through DRC-03. Scenario number four is investigation or inspection. If during an GST investigation, inspection, or search, it is revealed that you have underpaid taxes, you can make voluntary payment through DRC-03. Next scenario number five is response to show cause notice. This is time sensitive. You receive a show cause notice under section 73 or 74, then you have exactly 30 days from the date of show cause notice to pay the demanded tax and interest through DRC-03. So there are some critical points about section 73 and 74. Section 73 deals with the non-fraudulent cases, honest mistakes, omissions, or calculation errors. Penalty is 10% of tax or rupees 10,000, whichever is higher. But here is the good news. If you pay by DRC-03 within 30 days of the show cause notice, penalty is completely waived off. Similar linkage of section 74 deals with the cases involving fraud, willful misrepresentation, suppression of fact, or misstatement. Then penalty is 100% of tax. However, if you pay before show cause notice, penalty reduces to 15%. Within 30 days of show cause notice, it is 25%. So DRC-03 can save you massive penalties if used correctly and timely. So now let's walk through the actual filing process. You have to log into GST portal, www.gst.gov.in, log in with your credentials, navigate to the form, वहाँ पे click on services, then go to user services, my applications, select intimation of voluntary payment, then DRC-03 from the application, choose the cause of of payment. You'll see three options in drop down. One is a voluntary payment, second is payment against a CN, and third is others. For categories like annual return, reconciliation statement, audit investigation, ITC mismatch, or liability between mismatch between GSTR1, GSTR3B. Now you have to select the section, choose section 73 for non-fraud cases and 74 for fraud cases. Select financial year and tax period and enter payment details. This is where you need to be accurate. Enter details for tax amounts, AGST, SGST, IGST, interest amount, penalty amount, and any other amount. You can add multiple rows if you are making payments for different tax sets. Use add button to add more rows. So payment can be made from your electronic cash ledger or electronic credit ledger. However, interest and penalties must be paid in cash. ITC cannot be used. Then proceed to pay. The system will take you to the payment gateway. You have three options: online payment via net banking, credit debit card, or NEFT RTGS. Generate the payment reference number PRN and complete the payment within 30 minutes of PRN generation. After successful payment, return to the DRC-03 form. The payment details will be auto-populated if you make payment within 30 minutes. If after 30 minutes you need to manually alter the PRN number and the payment details. Next step is preview and verify. Upload the documents which is optional. Sign with DSC or EVC and get your ARN. So this is how you file your DRC-03. There are some key points and common mistakes to avoid. First is the wrong tax period. Always double check the tax period. Second, the incorrect tax calculation. Third is using missing interest calculations. Then four is using ITC for interest penalty. Next is missing the 30 days window responding to show cause notice. So this is all about DRC-03. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.